English for AI patent interviews, frame technical improvements. Welcome. In a patent-style technical interview, your goal is simple: show real technical improvement in plain English. Link every claim to a concrete problem users or systems actually face. Be precise, not promotional. Avoid hype. Focus on mechanics. Your job is to guide the examiner's mental model. What existed? What was blocking progress? What you changed and why it works. Think like a teacher with receipts. By the end, the listener should clearly see the before/after picture and understand how your method creates the result. No magic, just cause and effect. Lead with context. Start by naming the prior art limitation. What could older systems not do or do poorly? Then state the specific technical bottleneck. For example, cache thrashing at high concurrency. Next, introduce your mechanism, not just the idea. We added a lock-free ring buffer with adaptive backoff. Not, we optimized concurrency. Finally, quantify the improvement when possible. P99 latency dropped from 180 milliseconds to 92 milliseconds under 10 kRPS. This structure proves necessity, explains how, and shows impact in one clean arc. Translate claims into plain language, but do not change scope. If the claim says, selecting a subset based on a threshold, don't add dynamic unless it's in the record. Define key terms once, then reuse them consistently. Threshold, subset, controller. Map claim elements to system blocks, diagram verbally. Ingest module, selector, scorer, actuator. Avoid introducing new features not in the record. That can create confusion or unintended narrowing. Your explanation should mirror the claim's structure, so the examiner can track one-to-one from words to working parts. Use clear causal connectors to show mechanism, not magic. Words like because, therefore, and which reduces make the chain visible. We shard by key, which reduces hotspot contention. Phrases like as a result and leading to bridge mechanism to metric. Queues drain faster, leading to lower tail latency. In order to, and thereby clarify intention and outcome. We pre-compute hashes in order to avoid runtime collisions, thereby cutting CPU spikes. These signals promise measurable cause-effect, which examiners trust. Use controlled contrasts. Unlike static batching, our adaptive micro-batching tunes batch size per load. Highlight constraints the prior art accepts. Prior work assumes uniform request sizes. Explain why naive fixes fail. Increasing batch size lowers overhead, but starves small jobs. Keep comparisons factual and testable. Cite behavior, not opinions. Under bursty traffic, variance increases 3 times with static batching. Ours stays within 10%. This shows you understand the landscape and that your mechanism addresses the root constraint, not just the symptom. Anchor claims in basic metrics: latency, accuracy, memory, energy. Show a before/after or A/B baseline, so improvement is visible. A, prior, versus B, hours. Tie gains to the claimed mechanism. The quantization-aware training, not just pruning, drove the accuracy recovery. Briefly cite the experiment setup. Dataset, workload, hardware, and traffic pattern. Enough for plausibility. 10K queries, mixed payloads, 8-core CPU, 32 GB RAM. Keep it short, but reproducible. Numbers make the story concrete and defensible. Separate the parts: data, model, compute. Clarify where the improvement lives. inference scheduler, optimizer, tokenizer, or feature store. Name exactly where the gain occurs: faster decoding, fewer false positives, or lower VRAM. Use small, concrete examples. On rare entity names, our re-ranker lifts precision from 0.71 to 0.82. Avoid vague labels like smart, robust, or novel. Replace with mechanism. Temperature annealing with top PCAP reduces hallucinations on long prompts. Precision builds credibility. Wrap with a repeatable template. First, a one-sentence problem recap. Prior systems stall under bursty traffic due to lock contention. Then 1 to 2 sentences on mechanism and why it helps. We introduced a lock-free queue with back pressure. This prevents thrashing and stabilizes throughput. Add one sentence with a quantified outcome. P99 latency dropped 49% at 10 kRPS. Finally, invite clarifying questions on scope. Happy to walk through how the back pressure integrates with retries or discuss limits under extreme skew. This ending reinforces understanding and opens focused discussion.